Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a mask. It's here. It's a bunny Y. It's difficult Y. It's for Easter. I have 3 for the other ones. Dad, my mom, and me. Mine is the little one. Is half. This one is mine. How is? It's like this. It's like Easter bunny. Then we can make it with this time we can make a little smaller or bigger, like medium, I think. And I want to show you thing. Now, you guys just remember the things being one against a lot of, and have a new one is sharpen. Look at this. It's a spooky one. This one is spooky. And now this one, it comes plenty of markers for it. You can see what the some are drawing here. And you can see what it's really go for. You just can see some of the letters. And it comes plenty of markers. Oh, this ran out. And it's not plenty of markers. This is right here. And we'll flip it to take it off. This is like a telly cover. It's a slimy color. And this can take a little longer one. This is actually bigger than we also can make it more quick. Now, this one, we just need like little paper. And as the color you want, I just pick pink. It's right here. You saw it. And my dad's, I picked the bunny. It's not like a bunny Y, the Easter bunny Y. It's black and straight. And now, wait, what's happening? Other stuff. It was here. We was missing this. Right here. Now we have like other stuff. Now, yeah, it does have. So this stuff is great. And collect stars. I think this is more. Today it's really hot outside and I'm not going to do that. Then I think we just can go with the little pencil. Then we just make it. I make it like that. Now we can make it even better. Now, start. Here. And here, in here. And now let's make it like this, a big size to make it the face. It kind of looks weird. We don't really fit. Well, we need to draw the eyes to look at it. We just can like cut the eye. Why? Let's make it like this. Actually, like here, and the other side like here and here. Now we are done with this really quick. And oh, here's the color. Now with this time we're not gonna make a rainbow like with this make like red right here. Red, or it's like we're gonna make a rainbow one. I think we're just gonna make it. Let's start with this. right here, some red. It's hard why I didn't use it still. I did use it, but it's from a long time. And here, and done. Now, don't forget to color this one right here. See if I kind of need to start all over. But after this, supposed to be rainbow, it's see, but like all the colors here, it looks very weird. This all this. Let's start to this one. To make the red. There we go. This I already have here. There's the yellow. Here it is. Now let me make like a green. If I find a green. Green. Okay. Now, if you test the light green, that's green. Yes. Forgot it. And now here. And here. Like, just like the like. Now, oh, you need to like this color. A lighter color. It's a light blue, but I just have here. You just have like a string glue. You make it like this, but remember the blue and the yellow makes green, then don't let this make green again. But after one it was like a teal color, like the green color. It got like the green color, but it's not. And that's done. Now this is very important. How strange it is. Now, oh, I forgot the purple here is in here. Now here, and here, and here. Now we get something like this dark contributed to see it. But if ones don't make colors like it, like this one don't make colors. It only makes it is like I don't know. Now, how he found it? How he found it? He's really good. I like to just make the normal one. After they look at the flags between. It's really white. And here, and here, here, here. And here, go 1, 2, 3. On here, and here, and the one got this one. And done. Now, we forgot to have some darker pink with this goes like a purple, but it's a darker pinker. this one. Half we can goes in this side. It goes on the middle. It got some violet, but it's a pink one. It got some pink. You can cover those. And almost is done. Now we need here. And here. And here's the tone. And done. Now with this. Now we can apply it, but don't let dye both this. It can't be really hard to explain what. You need to guard this. It's really hard what. I already cut a hole from here. So that was really hard to pour. And now we forgot what we couldn't see it. And now we just forgot it. Well, we don't get see why this is also a really dark color. That this one is a little darker color. And we forgot this. And here. And here. And done. Now done. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Now, I think now it gets really hard. And not this fin is hard this time. For guys, it's really hard. Why? You need to cut the eyes too to see it. You don't know where to see. This is different. I don't know. This is more harder. It's really hard. Here. Oh my god. Here. Oh. Here. Here. Oh my gosh. Don't let's cut anything. This is what this the worst thing. Yeah. Here. It's hard, but you also need to cut the eyes. It's really hard to start. I even passed all of them. Where I got the whole this right here, and we not this time. Not really hard. Why we need to? I don't know how to do that. This one. This is how you do. Don't you make like a straight thing. You get like don't see anything, but don't just do right here, or you get a bit waste your money. Now we can gut it, but this time it's more fair. Wait, not this big. We need extra bigger. Here we go. This. Now, I think this is like straight. Now, we also can make balloons. Why? That is more the tip is for smaller, like the saw. Now, don't let it cook. Don't let it cook. Don't let that. This cut. Oh my god, this is. Oh, this can't be one piece. Look at this one. Here. Oh. It's going to be more bigger. The hole. But it's supposed to be also bigger. Here. And right here. really hard. Honestly, I just worked on like so many the most. I'll show you. And here, oh, this is pretty fun. Everything. Don't just all of this. I got a donut. And this one looks like a donut. Oh, and paste. Now this is all done. Now we're done with this. Decorate the our finger. This is all the dress. It's right here. This is like gonna be on the dress. This is right there. It's right here. Like this is where I also have the glasses on. And now you'll see you can put it. It's not glass. It's like paper. But the real one, it's a fake one. He don't this move, but he's almost real. But this time I did the color it. It was so two once I did the color it. Now the mask is way too small still. I can make it extra bigger, I think. I don't think so. No, this is already good. Trust me. This is more better than the whole. Why? Because I thought a lot of. I'm not saying with that one. No. I think this one is more like string boy. Actually, I don't fit really. I just can see a little. This I can see like it's blocking away. I can make a surprise, but it's from the mask. And it's really funny. It's fixed and it's now I can see more better how it is. It's more smaller the holes. I can see the two holes, but it's good. It's still the more bigger is extra bigger. Now see you on my next demo and subscribe to see my demo. Goodbye. Do you like it?